Hey, it's Rhonda. I'm out here doing some dumpster diving. We had a bunch of our electric and stuff was off, so I wanted to show you. I think this is what there's just where the electric was off. I don't know if you can see it. I'm not going to open all these bags up, but there's like pizza rolls, ice cream. There's just like bags of stuff. This is all ice cream. There's, I don't know if you can see, there's like pizza. See right here, Hot Pockets, another great big thing. Like I said, I'm not going to rip all these open. Oh, that's pizza pockets. Let's see what's in here. Red Baron pizza, yeah. Pizza rolls. All of these are just bags of food ruined by the windstorm. Our electric was out.